In all of the Western herbal books that I've seen, the description of Achillea always includes a strong section on treating bleeding. There's the old story of Achilles leading soldiers in the Trojan War and treating war injuries with the herb Achillea. And then Achillea later is called soldier's woundwort, knight's milfoil, nosebleed, carpenter's weed, bloodwort, and axe blow herb. Some Native American tribes had a similar tradition calling this herb warrior weed and used it as a talisman around sharp objects. So yes, it's highly valued for the treatment of nosebleeds, heavy menstruation, or in recovery from deep cuts and surgeries. As far as I can tell, that is a universal use of Achillea. It has been called master of the blood. It regulates the flow of blood to and from the surface and in and out of the capillaries and venules, thickening and thinning. So that's basically how I understand the action of Achillea. It simply improves the circulation when there's illness or injury. This really takes it beyond just the issues of bleeding. We're then talking about circulation, and this is just one of the fundamental issues of the healing process. I remember one of the first times that I was exposed to the concept of circulation in healing. There was this visiting doctor from Spokane, Washington named Letitia Cronenberg, and she was very, very old school naturopathy. So the student started asking Dr. Cronenberg about the use of some certain kind of a supplement to treat a condition. I don't remember the details exactly, but what I remember is Dr. Cronenberg cut right through to the heart of the matter by saying, you can take all the vitamins you want, but if the part of the body you're trying to heal isn't getting good blood supply, those vitamins aren't going to do anything. And as far as I'm concerned, she is right. Circulation is just fundamental to the healing process. So when you can see signs in the skin that show that the balance of that circulation isn't quite right, that there's too much of that red blood, that the area is inflamed, or there's too much blueness, too much blue veins, showing that there's congestion in that venous end of circulation, you know that the system is out of balance, and that is going to be an impairment to healing. This is how the body shows signs of what it needs. What I understand about Achillea, and this I do get from the herbalist Matthew Wood, is that the skin will be red with blue veins showing through. When I see that on the skin, I think of Achillea, regardless of what the condition is. So that's one way to use Achillea. In the next video, I'm going to explore how to use Achillea in the treatment of fevers, which is also a major, major part of its history of use.